Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about this look that you can see here. I created this look keeping in mind the festive season going on here in India, the Navratri and Durga Puja. It's a really nice purple eyes with dewy base kind of a look. So yeah, keep on watching. So first I started off with clean skin that I moisturized about half an hour ago, and here I am just priming my face, mainly concentrating onto my T-zone that tends to get oily after some time. So if you are from oily to combination type of skin, I would highly recommend you to use a mattifying primer rather than using any other primer. So yeah, next I used the Sea Secrets lip savior to moisturize my lips, and here I am filling in my brows with the Maybelline Fashion Brow. So whenever you fill your brows with cream product, especially for a long lasting look, make sure you set your brows with a powder product afterwards, or even with a brow gel, make sure to set them in place. So here I am cleaning my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and blending away the concealer with this makeup sponge. Make sure you set every cream or liquid product with a powder product on the top of it to make sure that your makeup, your concealer, your foundation or anything cream is secured with a powder product, because it is going to be a long lasting makeup look, because you will be dancing the complete night doing garba and things. So you need to make sure that your makeup is just in place and not melting away because of sweat. So next I just prime my lids with the same concealer and set my lids with the Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact, and here I am adding this a shade darker than my skin tone onto my crease area for the transition color. And next I am using this Maybelline V Face Geo Powder to deepen up my crease with a thinner brush, just adding it beneath the transition color and blending the two colors away really nicely to give it a really nice gradient effect. Add the product little by little unless you are really happy with the outcome. So now I am taking the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick, the first two shades from this highlighter, and applying it on all over my lids, and then taking these two purple shades and applying them to the outer corners of my eyes to give my eyes really nice color and dimension. So I'm just adding more and more of color until I'm happy with the outcome. You can choose your color, your intensity, however you like to. Now I'm adding this blue shade onto the outer part of my outer corners and blending these colors away really nicely. So yeah, I was saying that you need to work really nicely, blend really nicely. So for my foundation, I chose the Lakme Argan Oil foundation as it gives really dewy and long lasting effect on your skin, but it was looking a little light on my skin, so I went ahead and added a bit of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation on the top of it and blending it away. So the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is one of the best foundations in this price range. I really love this foundation. This foundation is long lasting, mattifying, it just adjusts to your skin tone and it photographs really well. It's just the perfect foundation you're looking for. Gives really nice high coverage, medium to high coverage, and it's totally buildable. So for my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to the usual areas that I like to conceal and highlight. Now if you like to conceal your dark circles, pigmentation or spot concealing, you need to choose a concealer that matches your skin tone. But if you like to highlight your under eye area and the places that you like to highlight, you need to choose a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. You need not take both of them. So here I am adding a little bit of LA Girl concealer on the top of the Maybelline and blending these two away in the same place that I applied them. I'm not dragging the product really far, I'm just blending it away in the same place. Now to set my entire face, I'm using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. Before you set your concealer, make sure that you clear the crease lines that might have formed, and after that set your concealer, otherwise those crease lines will also set in place. So for my lower lash line, I'm using the same two purple shades and applying it to the outer 2/3 part of my lower lash line, and taking the same blue color, applying it to the outer 1/3 part, just 1/3 part of my lower lash line, and also to the outer corners of my upper lash line, just to intensify it a little bit more. Add color accordingly. What do you want, how much intense do you want the color, and obviously these shades are it's not that you need to pick these shades only. You can go for a shade that matches your outfit or that you like the most. So I am taking the same highlighter and adding it onto my brow bones, my inner corners, and also adding it onto my inner lids as well to intensify the highlighter a little bit more. Now I'm taking this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray and spraying it all over my face to make sure that my foundation and concealer are locked in place and there is no powderiness on the face. Now pushing it into my skin with the help of this beauty blender. Now for my contour, I'm using these two cool tone brown shades and applying it all over the areas that I like to contour. That is the hollows of my cheeks, the parameters of my face, and on my nose. And then blending it away with the buffing brush. I know it looks weird at first, a little weird, but when you start blending it away, start blending it really nicely. Take time while blending and it will look really seamless and blended in really nicely. So here I'm just going over all the places where I contoured with my damp beauty blender with no product on it, just the foundation that was left on it. And here I am cleaning my contour with the same Maybelline concealer. Now to set my contour, I am using the same bronzer. For my blush, I chose this Maybelline Color Show blush. This is a really beautiful blush, highly pigmented, and applying it onto the apples of my cheeks and blending it with the contour and the bronzer. You can always go ahead and tone down anything that you would like to. If you feel like anything is like really intense and you don't want it to be that intense, you can go on with the beauty sponge and tone it down. Next, for my highlighter, I chose the same highlighter and applying it to the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, forehead, chin and neck, and finally setting my face with the same makeup setting spray and pushing it into the skin. Now these two concealers, the Maybelline Fit Me and LA Girl, are the best concealers in this price range. Also, the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick is one of the best highlighters. If you are looking for a drugstore highlighter that is really good, you should try this one. So for my eyeliner, I went with a winged eyeliner and used the Lakme liquid eyeliner. Best eyeliner I've ever used. Really long lasting, black, and dries really quickly. I've used so many eyeliners, but I always go back to this one. And for my mascara, I'm using this Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Make sure that you use your mascara on the top of your upper lashes to make sure that the eyeshadow that has been falling out on your lashes are clean. And for my kajal, I use the Nykaa Rock the Line kajal and tight line my upper waterline, and on my lower waterline I just went for the outer 1/3 part, and I'm not dragging it into the complete waterline. For my lips, I used these two lipsticks by NYX and Huda. Instead of the Huda, you can use the NYX Lip Lingerie or the NYX Soft Matte Lip Crayon. Now, just line my lips with the nude lip liner, added on the Huda Bombshell, and adding the NYX Beijing on the center of my lips to give them a plumber look. And to complete the look, I added some loop earrings and a bindi that matches my outfit completely. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any video that I upload next. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.